PostBrew sent me these little mints for my review, and I love the name. Obviously, PostBrew, the after coffee supplement. Get it? I think I love that joke. I think it's super cool. It is peppermint flavored. Now they do a couple of things. Obviously, I'm gonna try it right here on camera. I feel like this thing is so potent and so small. It's so fantastic. Look at this. It looks like a little normal, regular pill. You pop that in, and right away, it's a burst of mint, of peppermint. It tastes incredible, and right away I can feel my saliva working, just like they said it would, and breath is literally, it's literally renewed, basically. I had my coffee, like I said earlier, popped one of those right after. I have to admit, within a minute of having that last sip, it's kind of jarring because you're going from coffee all the way to peppermint. But after a minute, I was like, oh my God, this is so refreshing. Had a glass of water and I felt like, I didn't even smell or taste the coffee anymore. This thing actually works. And yeah, kudos on that name. I think it's hilarious.